It's that time of the year again where we get to check our children's results. So, this tutorial video is simply to show you how to navigate through Oakcrest School's result portal to check your child results. Now, this is going to be simple and straightforward. So, come along with me. When you go through the link oakcrestschools.touchmoney.net, you get to a page like this. Now, where you see the school logo, and you see two major things. So they ask you to select your school. So if your child is in Oakcrest Montessori, select Oakcrest Montessori. Your child is in Oakcrest International College, select Oakcrest International College under what you want to do. Okay, so I'm just going to real quick select Oakcrest International College. Now, this is already by default. What you want to do is already set to check results, so you don't have to play with that. This other options here is login teacher's account or login dashboard. But what we want to do is we want to check results. So we want to leave it at check results and click go. Now, this is where it does some form of checking for us to be able to assess our particular child and not just access any random child on the portal. So, in order for us to pull this off, we need to know the admin number of the child we want to check. So, I'm just going to check a child with this particular admin number. So, the school is supposed to issue your admin number to you, so you request from the school admin, give me my child's admin number. Give me my child admin number. So once you do that, they give you your child admission number, you key it in and press search. Okay, so if your admission number is correct, you're going to see the child's name, and you're going to have a place where you're supposed to key in your child's booklet password so that you can access it. Okay, so I'm just going to put in this particular child's booklet password here and click open booklet. So straight up it takes us to our portal. We're going to see all the child's results that we have on the system here. Just come to the last the first result, which should be the latest result, um, which is 2022/2023 GSS1 third term results. So these are this green cards corresponds to the result of the child. I'm just going to refresh this page to make sure everything is fully loaded. Now you can come to see more to see other options. You can see when next term begins. Yeah, hide the info. I'm just going to click on the first card, which is the result I came here to check, and voila, it opens for me. So that's all about checking result. I'm just going to go back. So I want you to take note of something. On mobile devices, if you click on this, it's just going to download into your phone. So you have to go to your downloads and check it out. So you have to be alert to see that the moment you clicked on it, instead of it open as it opens on web or mobile device, it downloads directly into your device, and there you can have access to your child's result. I hope this tutorial was helpful so that you're going to have a smooth process in checking your child's results.